Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to show you how to start affiliate marketing on a low budget. And you can start this system that I've created for $5. And I'm going to give you my system for free. And it's a system where you can potentially earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus traffic offers. Traffic is an evergreen niche. It's a niche that everyone needs traffic, and everyone needs more and more traffic. So you're going to be promoting products that are always going to be in demand. They're in demand now, but they will always be in demand in the future. The traffic we're promoting is unlimited autopilot buyers traffic, and buyers traffic is the best traffic that you can promote your offer with. So you'll be able to promote your offer to a pre-built audience of thousands and thousands of existing buyers, but also thousands and thousands of new buyers that are joining these offers every single month. I'm going to give you all the tools that you need to get your traffic for free. And that's what I do recommend as an absolute minimum with any traffic offer that you promote. Become an affiliate. You will get auto approved when you join these offers. Become an affiliate, promote the offer, and then you can at least, as an absolute minimum, get your traffic for free. But then I'll teach you how to go to the next level. I want to teach you how to get in profit every single month. That's the key thing with affiliate marketing, is not getting into debt. You can start for a low price of $5. It's a low ticket entry, and we can build it up over the weeks and months and teach you not only get into profit, but stay in profit. And that's what's called a funded traffic proposal. Because when you're in profit every single month, if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, then you no longer have to buy your traffic from your wages or your job income or your savings in your bank account. You can reinvest a percentage of your profits every month to buy more traffic. I'm going to give you my free tools and funnels to help you succeed. And I'll just show you those shortly a bit later on in the video. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income or product claims in this video or any guarantees. It's for educational purposes only. Let's show you some real proof that this system works. So I'm live in my Warrior Plus account here. I'll just refresh the page. And then this is my all-time in Warrior Plus. If you look in the right-hand column, I started this system for $5 and I've now earned $12,568 with these products and this system. The product sales that I've made, 24,924. And in the left-hand column over here, this is really key. I've sold 2,814 products. I'm going to show you a bit later on in the video how you can promote one link and sell multiple products to earn multiple commissions. So that's just an update there of how updated results. Now, what I want to show you now is I want to show you the profit and the potential of the profit. So I'm going to go back into here in Warrior Plus. I'm going to go to this year to date. So you'll see, just scroll down a little bit. It's from the 1st of the 1st, 2024. And it's up to today's date, which is the 16th of October. So this is really important. This is a really important part of the video. I want to show you the potential of the profits and the passive income and the multiple income streams. So you'll see year to date. So this year, my commissions in the right-hand column, I've earned $5,010. The sales this year, 9,609. And this year so far, I've sold 1,065 products. Now I want to just get my little pencil out here and just show you. I'll just put this down here a little bit. over here out the way. Now the key thing with this system, the absolute key thing, is profit. But not only getting into profit, but stay in profit every month. That's what you need to be striving for with affiliate marketing. Stay in profit every month. Now, at the moment, I'm predominantly promoting 5 products. There are 1 or 2 others that I do promote, but predominantly the majority is 5 products. Those 5 products cost me $35 every month. So I'm a member and I pay my monthly subscription. So 35 months. Now I've got a calculator over here, and if you times 35, wrong page here. If you times 35 by 12, it's $420 a year. So every year, these products cost me $420. But what you'll see if we go over to a pencil, so they cost me $420. But if you see the commission that I've earned, the commission over here is $5,000. So the profit is roughly $4,500 profit, 4.5k. And that's the key thing with these offers, 4.5k. So 4.5k because I promote these with free traffic. That's what I recommend you do. And if you email me, my email address is in the description. I can teach you how to do that. So that's the key thing. That's the main point of this video is not just commissions earned. It's not just what the products are. The key thing with affiliate marketing is getting into profit and staying into profit every single month. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of reasons why this why it works. So I'm going to delete all that text on there and get rid of that. Down the right hand side here, you're going to see these circular arrows. This denotes every single month in a row that the members are paying. So I pay my monthly subscription, but you'll be referring members that are paying 33 months in a row, 11 months in a row, 7 months in a row. If you scroll all the way down here, you'll see all these circular arrows. They're quite new, 19 months in a row. They're quite new, 7 months in a row. So you'll see there's a high retention. There's a couple of reasons why there's a high retention. The first reason is the members are happy with the product. So they're getting buyers traffic on autopilot. They're putting their offer in front of a buyer every single day. And the other reason is a lot of the members, like myself, are becoming affiliates. And then when they get into profit, they become long-term members and long-term paying members. So when you start to promote these offers as an affiliate, then the members are happy with the traffic, they're becoming affiliates, they're getting into profit, and that equals a long-term high retention, 16 months in a row, 12 months in a row. And that's the key with affiliate marketing, is to earn profitable passive income. Not just one-time payments where you're constantly striving to get new sales every single month. Now let me show you the other reason. The other reason is the affiliate commissions within the funnels, multiple income streams. This is a product called the Click Generator, which is one of the traffic products. Now I'm going to go to products here. And within the Click Generator costs $5 per month. So you've got to be a member of the Click Generator. But what you'll see here that the owners, John and Frank, have put in here all these other traffic offers. 6 of these or 7 of these are recurring income. So this is why you can start to earn potentially profitable passive income, because you've got all these products that are recurring commissions, which you would earn in the commission column over here on the right hand side. And what you'll see here is that John and Frank are traffic experts. So they sell all these traffic products. If any of your referrals bought any of these, you don't have to buy. This is an important note here. You don't have to buy these yourself to earn the affiliate commissions. If you wish to do so and you want to scale up, then you're going to be buying quality traffic. But if any of your referrals buy any of these, so this one here, 10,000 top tier clicks would earn you an $850 commission one time. This one here would earn you a $600 commission. This one here is $150. So you've got the potential to be earning $200 here. And lots of lower ticket ones here. You've got the potential to be earning these commissions by promoting one link that you get when you become a member of these offers. Let me show you now the free funnels I'm going to give you. So my email address is in the description. If you want to contact me directly, partner with me, and you want to get my funnels, just send me an email in the description, and I'll send you the share codes over to create these funnels. These funnels can be created by beginners. They're very beginner friendly. I'll give you all the tutorials to clone them, and all you've got to do is put your affiliate links in and they completely clone to you. So you'll see these are the funnels that I personally use to generate the results that I'm sharing with you today. Now I do all the videos as well. You don't have to do any videos. This is the lead capture page that you'll get. Your prospect will put their email into there, then they'll get taken to the next page on the funnel. It's a complete click engine success system. I do the video here that shows real proof, and you'll see that the click engine is a $5 a month program, and I've earned $3,205. So you can see that these products convert into commissions. And all you will do is put your affiliate links into these buttons here. Now it's very, very simple. Leads Leap is the platform that we are using to create these funnels. So you will click here to join Leads Leap. It's a free lifetime membership, and then you can create these funnels for free. And all you've got to do is use the share codes, just a code that you copy and paste into Leads Leap, and these funnels will be yours. I also give you all the email follow-up messages that I've handwritten for you personally to be able to follow up and potentially get even more commissions. So when you join Leads Leap through my link there, you'll get taken to this page here. Now what you'll see in Leads Leap is you can also earn an additional income stream, monthly recurring commission stream, even as a free member. That's the beauty of Leads Leap. It's a platform you can use to promote any offer online, not just these Warrior Plus offers, and you can also get traffic as well. Now you'll see here in my dashboard, my total income for Leads Leap is $1,688. So even as a free member, you can start to earn these monthly recurring commissions if any of your referrals upgrade to the Pro membership. I did start out for free with Leads Leap, and I promoted it. I got some commissions coming in, then I upgraded to Pro. So whatever's within your budget is what you need to do. Don't worry if you can't afford it straight away. Just join, promote, and then earn some monthly recurring commissions as a free member. And then when you get to that Pro level of affordability, then just upgrade. So very, very simple. Very, very simple funnels to create. Just step by step, and take your time with those. So here's a system that I created for you to generate the results that I'm sharing with you today. This video, get access to this video. I'm going to pin the link to the first comment below the video you're watching now. Now, I did call the video how to get your buyer traffic for free, but it's a lot more than that. It's how to earn profitable passive income with Warrior Plus. It's how to promote your offer to thousands of existing buyers, thousands of new buyers, and also you'll be building a buyers list as well with this system. So it's a multifaceted system that I've created, and I share that with you. And it's also beginner friendly. So if you are brand new to affiliate marketing, you can do this as well. And if you get stuck with anything, just send me an email, and I'll help you out. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new uploads. So currently on my channel here, I'm doing several new uploads every week. If you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below. I'd appreciate any comments. That will help with my YouTube algorithm. And like I said before, my email address is always in the description if you want to contact me through email, and then I'll just reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.